Social BSMM Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume social media management tools are interchangeable, but Social B focuses on content categorization, scheduling, and performance optimization. Social B allows you to organize content into categories like promotions, evergreen posts, and curated content, and then schedule them to multiple social media accounts. One standout feature is content recycling, which automatically reposts evergreen content to keep your audience engaged without extra effort. Most people assume SMM tools only post content. The surprising truth is Social B offers analytics, URL tracking, and post-performance insights, helping marketers optimize campaigns for engagement and conversions. Another advantage is integration. Social B supports Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Pinterest, plus RSS feeds and URL shorteners, making cross-platform management simple. Team collaboration features also allow multiple users to contribute and approve content. However, there are some considerations. Some advanced analytics and integrations are only available in higher-tier plans. Beginners may need time to learn content categorization best practices for maximum impact. In conclusion, Social B is ideal for marketers seeking a structured, strategic approach to social media management with content recycling, analytics, and multi-platform support. It simplifies and improves social media strategy. Subscribe for more honest SMM tool reviews before managing your next campaign.